Hey guys, welcome to my channel, ChaseTM. So, as you can see here, we have lost a drone. So, it's in shambles. This is was my Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian. It's not very flyable anymore. So pretty much I was doing a job today and I was using the app called Autopilot. It's a great app. Not sure if this crash was caused by it or who knows what, but anyhow, I was flying to do pretty much an outline of some construction site, and it's called a racetrack. And so as I was flying towards it, I was just watching the camera feed and getting up to about 350 feet altitude, and my drone just kind of goes sideways and lost connection before it hit the trees, but it obviously fell out of the sky, and I was just staring at my controller. Didn't know what to do. So, don't know what happened. Could have been the wind. It was kind of a windy day. I could have hit a bird, or just some kind of malfunction with the propellers or the drone, or who knows what. So, as long as it wasn't my fault, I guess I can't be too disappointed, but pretty frustrated. So, anyways, I went to try and find it, and luckily it didn't fall in the water or, you know, some trees. That would have been quite difficult to find. The whole, I guess the battery failure, or I don't know, it was on when I found it, but I wasn't able to see the location or anything about it. So luckily I found it in some mud, and there were lots of pieces laying all over the place, and this thing. So yeah, but anyhow, I'll show you the rest of the pieces before. So here are all the other pieces that I picked up, and here's an entire part of the camera gimbal. So luckily 2 of my propellers are intact, so that's a plus, but not the others. I actually don't know. Well, I only see 3 propellers, so there is a chance that one popped off, but I usually don't take these propellers off. I have a case that holds the drone with the propellers on, you know, to speed things up. So, don't know why it would ever pop off, but there's a chance that one of them did, and can't fly this drone with 3 propellers. So anyhow, I have some tools and going to see if I can salvage some parts, either for just spare parts or sell them on eBay. I don't know. Trying to get something out of this. So
mission failed. We'll get them next time.
You guys know, luckily I still have my Mavic 2 Zoom and Inspire 2. So the Inspire 2, of course, has DJI Care Refresh, so I'm not going to fly that thing uninsured. But yeah, so gotta look for a new Phantom 4 Pro. Cool. Anyhow, I actually have a couple photos leading up to the last photo of it pointing up into the sky, I suppose. So as you guys can see, yeah, it is not looking so good. So let's see if we can salvage some parts and try and find a replacement for cheap. I don't know. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Hopefully my next video will be a little bit better than this. So like, comment, subscribe. You can subscribe if you expect me to crash some more. Who knows, maybe it'll happen again with another drone, God forbid. But alright, peace. Alright, well, kind of took it apart a little bit, but there's really not so much I could get out of this. This whole camera system is a little muddy, but yeah, all of it's cracked. I think the lens on this is cracked. The side piece is cracked, like all of it's cracked, you know. This is dented, literally cracked. I did get the SD card out of it. That's a win. Possibly this board here, I don't know if it's even worth it, and a ribbon cable. But yeah, this is not gonna fly again, so alright.